Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the PZ Bollinger Bands EA. It's a free MT4 expert advisor from PZ Trading SLU. Starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, one of the first things you'll notice is that this EA is available as a free download. The current version listed is 4.0 and the product is built around the Bollinger Bands indicator. Okay. According to the description, the EA is designed as a flexible trading tool rather than a fixed strategy, giving traders a wide range of configuration options to adapt it to their own preferences. As I scroll through the overview, the developer highlights several customization features. The EA supports configurable stop loss, take profit, break even, and trailing stop functionality. It also works with both ECN and non-ECN brokers, supports different symbol digit formats, and includes options for NFA and FIFO compliance where required. Now, one of the more interesting aspects of this EA is the variety of trading behaviors available. In regular mode, the EA sells above the upper Bollinger Band and buys below the lower band. In inverse mode, the behavior is reversed. All right. And there are also dedicated buy only and sell only modes, allowing traders to focus exclusively on one market direction if desired. The filtering options are also quite extensive. The EA can use multiple time frames as confirmation filters, meaning traders can require overbought or oversold conditions to align across several selected time frames before a trade is considered. In addition, trading can be restricted to specific Forex sessions, including Asian, European, and American market hours. Looking at the position management section, traders can customize stop loss, take profit, break even levels, trailing stop settings, and even choose whether positions should be closed when price returns to the Bollinger Bands average. These controls can significantly influence how trades are managed once they are active. The money management section the money management section offers several approaches as well. Traders can use a fixed lot size, allow automatic lot calculation based on account risk, enable a martingale mode that increases position size after losses, or use an inverse martingale approach that increases position size after winning trades. Now let us move over to the historical backtesting results. All right. Since this EA is designed as a configurable trading framework rather than a single fixed setup, historical testing results will depend heavily on the selected parameters, the trading behavior, filters, and money management settings. Okay, so this makes thorough testing especially important. Let us first of all look at the provided report here. I can see that this EA was tested on Euro USD on the H1 time frame between 2nd January 2012 and 1st October 2016. And here the initial deposit was $1,000. Total net profit made was over $17,800. And the win rate that we have here is quite high, about 96.68% win rate. It's pretty impressive though. But let's head over to our strategy tester as well. Let us see how this EA performed. The PZ Bollinger Bands, I'm testing it on XAU USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months. I'm using the every tick modeling. All right, so from what I have here, Initial deposit is $10,000. Total net profit was just $27.03. The total trades taken were two. Okay, and both of them were profitable. One short position, one long position, and the largest profit was $26.62, and the average profit was $13.52. All right, let me go turn on the visuals now so that we can also see the EA in action. So as we review the historical chart activities, the entries and exits should generally reflect the Bollinger Bands conditions selected for the test, along with any time frame filters, session restrictions, and position management rules that were enabled. Because the EA offers multiple operating modes, behavior can vary significantly between different configurations. When evaluating the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that these are historical results only. All right, actual performance can vary based on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and the quality of user optimization. Okay. The developer also clearly notes that the EA is a general purpose tool and does not claim to generate profits under all market conditions. So overall, the PZ Bollinger Bands EA stands out as a highly configurable MT4 trading tool centered around the Bollinger Bands indicator with multiple trading modes, extensive filtering options, and flexible position management controls. It offers traders plenty of room for customization. As always, I recommend performing your own testing and optimization before considering any live trading application. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content and expert advisor reviews like this. All right. And if you've used this EA before, feel free to share your experience in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.